If you want to make selling your house a little less stressful, do these 3 things first. Number 1, make sure to budget for repairs and improvements before listing your home. We all have items that need maintenance or repair that we just haven't gotten to over time. It's those little things that get overlooked on a day-to-day basis, like caulking around the tub or scuffs on the wall, and maybe carpet that is past its prime. If you take care of those items before you list, you will sell your home for faster and for more money. Today's buyers are looking for a home that is move-in ready. It's worth a little bit of expense and time to do it right. Number 2, go ahead and get a storage unit that you can start packing and moving items to clear the clutter and open up the house so buyers can really see the home and not just your things. I like to use the 3-box method. Set up 3 boxes. 1 box is for items you want to keep, but you don't need on a daily basis, so you can store that. Another box is for items to donate, and the 3rd box is for items that need to be tossed. The goal is to depersonalize the home and make it feel wide and open. You know you've hit the goal when it starts feeling a little less like your home and more like a model home you might walk through at a new community. And finally, number 3, I encourage you to get an experienced real estate agent involved early in the process. A lot of people feel like they don't want to bother an agent until right before they're ready to list their property, but I promise you it is no bother. That's why we're here. We can look beyond the imperfections to help guide you from the very beginning to the final sell, making sure you have the knowledge you need to make the best decisions for your family. I've worked with lots of clients for months, advising them on repairs and decluttering before they sell, and I'm really happy to do that. It will help you make sure you are focused on the right things and not spending needless money on things that won't help you sell with the best terms. Check out our Do These 3 Things First checklist to help you get started. It will be linked on our blog, or call our team today to get your free consultation. This is Tara Powell with the RE/MAX NC Coastal Team, Real Estate with a Purpose, where we put our clients and community first.